Presenting the Ford 2018 Escape S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include rear-view camera, rear-view monitor and dash, steering wheel mounted controls, voice recognition controls, phone voice activated, stability control, electronic messaging assistance with read function, security remote anti-theft alarm system, multi-function display and phone wireless data link Bluetooth. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.